Hi there mga beloved yung soulmates. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Nandito naman po yung lingkod Ren sa Utara Channel para bigyan kayo ng isang soulful, meaningful at tarot reading dito lamang po sa inyo lagi na bangan at sinusubaybayan ng Ren sa Utara Channel. Ang ating pong reading na ngayon na pagkasamahan ay general reading para sa ating mga pinakamahal na nasa sign ng Aquarius, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. This is for you. Kamusta po kayong lahat? I hope you're okay. I hope you're doing good. You're healthy, you're safe, and of course, you're happy. Kapag bago po kayo sa ating channel at nagustuhan niyo po or nakaresonate kayo, don't forget to comment, like, and share, and of course, isubscribe niyo po ang ating channel. Sige, ulitin ko, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus sign. Last shuffle at kunin na natin ang isang pong baraha. Sige, huwag na natin patagalin pa, Aquarius. Spirit Universe, Spirit Guides, Angels, Ancestors, 10 cards please for Aquarius. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang sawang tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. And simula noon hanggang ngayon ay andyan po kayo, hindi niyo po ako iniwan. And uulitin ko na utang na loob ko kung saan man makarating po ang ating channel. Sige, your 10 cards are now complete, Aquarius. Huwag na natin papatagalin pa itong general reading mo. Let's begin. I know that you're excited. So I have here 4 of Pentacles. So this is a good luck. I can see her swerte or it's like sudden, biglaan. Ito unexpected na parang swerte para sa'yo. Okay, Aquarius, maybe you are not prepared for this, but I can see her good news. I can see her, it's like unexpected blessing that is coming on your way. Look at this one. Talagang kahit saan, sinusundan ka ng swerte, Aquarius, because here, look at the background. This is high-rise buildings. At the same time, meron ka sa ulo, meron ka sa hawak mo, ang tinatapakan mo. Pero it seems that this February, lalong-lalo na birthday season mo, happy birthday Aquarius, luck is on your side. Okay? So, ibig sabihin na sa'yo ngayon naayon ang swerte. Then, we have here Hierophant. So, I can see her na, syempre of course, since this is your birthday season, even though hindi pa itong birthday season mo, Aquarius, I can see here that most of you are very religious. It seems that you are deeply connected or rooted to or grounded sa iyong mga paniniwala. You are putting your faith on the universe and to the higher being sa Panginoon. So that's why there are a lot of manifestations kayo nakikita dito. Ang dami niyong mga binubulong, ang dami niyong mga wishes. So I can see her since nauna yung good luck. So this will be, all of these wishes will be granted in the God's and universe perfect time. So just patiently wait, magantay lang na mabuti, magtiyaga lang. All of these things will connect, and you will realize that this is what you wish for, or kumbaga ito na talaga yung matagal mo nang pinapangarap or inaantay. Okay? So Aquarius, we have here also Hanged Man. This is just a flashback, so no more stagnancy, no more delays, no more hanged season. It's like no, it's because for the past weeks, past months, although may pinagkukunan ka, you have a stable source of income, but still parang alam mo yung puro palabas yung pera. But that's why feeling mo wala kang naiipon. Parang kung may maipon kayo, biglang may emergency na darating, biglang may unwanted expenses, mga gastos na wala sa plano mo. But now, this hangman, ang nakikita natin dito is like all of this stagnancy or kumbaga itong delays are now over, Aquarius. You will continue on a path that is full of abundance, or it's like you're not going to worry in terms of finances kasi nga andito yung good luck o ayun, no, andyan yung kaperahan para sa'yo. So ibig sabihin, you just need to be wise, but I know magaling kayo sa paghawak ng pera, Aquarius, is to the point na nililista nyo, may monitor nyo. It's like you are very very good in holding, it's like managing your finances. Okay, that's a good thing kasi pinaghihirapan nyo yan, of course. And kailangan na talagang i-track mo ng mabuti. So we have here the King of Cups. I can see her, aside from good news, I can see her authority, parang na it's like a powerful person. It's like parang may katayuan siya, may katungkulan siya, or parang uh, merong Aquarius, meron kayong lalapitan na tao na something like influential, okay? But don't worry because or maybe may makikilala ka, hindi lang lalapitan or makikilala kang tao na somehow not today but on the future events makakatulong sa'yo. Okay, this is someone na may impluensya, may pera, high ang status sa community, kilala. So, Aquarius, be prepared for that kasi maaring ipatawag ka niya or parang makipag-connect siya sa'yo or maybe magpadala siya ng message. So, maybe siguro nagustuhan niya yung personality mo or maybe you have talent or skills na parang narinig niya or na-discover niya. That's why you will be making a partnership or parang magkakaroon kayo ng connection. Okay? So, be prepared for that, Aquarius. So, walang masama. Walang masama sa kahit makipag-connect sa mga high status na tao as long as you are being honest and of course, wala kang mang tatapakang ibang tao. Death card means ending sa mga sitwasyon, relationship, events, friendship, or whatsoever na hindi nila go-work out para sa'yo. These situations or relationships na puro sakit sa ulo, puro stress ang dinudulot sa'yo, maybe I can see here na hindi ikaw ang gagawa ng paraan para matapos ito, but it's the universe that will be making a way. Be prepared for it or don't be surprised kapag sa mga dating na mga linggo or mga buwan, merong mga tao na makatais mo or patanggal mo sa circle mo or mga maaring biglang, I'm not scared as like hindi kita rin natakot or maybe it's like, a job that will end, a contract, or maybe alam niyo yan, di ba, lagi ko sinasabi kapag lumabas ang death card, kapag may matatapos, ibig sabihin may bagong ipapalit sa universe na mas malaki or mas maganda, mas productive or dito ka talaga aligned or dito talaga ka nakalinya yung path mo. Okay? But be prepared, don't be surprised kapag may mga sitwasyon, relationship, or whatsoever na matapos or tapusin sa universe. Okay? At kapag naka-resonate po kayo, or nagustuhan nyo, don't forget to comment, like, share, of course, don't forget to subscribe. I hope nasusundan nyo. Let's continue Aquarius in general reading with this Three of Wands. Okay, Aquarius, huwag matakot na harapin ang reality ng buhay. Maybe there are some of you na parang may mga worries. You are thinking about your future. You are thinking about your health, your family, your relationship. But you need to face it. Okay, hindi masasolve ang mga problema kung hindi mo to harapin. But you need to face it positively, puno ng pag-asa sa kasi kung haharapin mo ito ng puro kanegahan yung nasa loob ng isip mo, parang mamamanifest mo ang negativities. Okay? Pero kung alam mo na may problema pero buong tapang mo itong hinarap, okay? Alam mo, nagtitiwala ka sa Panginoon, nagtitiwala ka sa universe na may solusyon na parating, then everything will work out for you. So, huwag ka magtago, huwag mong iwasan ang realidad, huwag mong iwasan itong mga sitwasyon na gumugulo sa isipan mo. Bumangon ka, harapin mo ito. Gawan mo ng paraan. The universe is on your side. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to ask for guidance of the universe. Don't forget to ask for help sa mga taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo or naniniwala sa iyo. Masusolusyonan ang lahat. Cast all that worries, tanggalin lahat ng mga fears, mga takot at pagdadalawang isip or doubts mismo sa sarili mo. Kapag ikaw mismo may wala kang tiwala sa sarili mo, you are doubting yourself na kakayanin mo, of course, medyo mahihirapan ka. But if you know that you can solve it or you know that you can make a way para masolusyon ito, the first step is facing it. Okay? Haharapin mo talaga. Kasi kapag puro iwas, mas lalong lalala ang problema, Aquarius. Okay? So we have here the Page of Swords. Kailangan mo talagang maging matapang. Ayan o. You need the courage. Kailangan mo talagang buo ang loob mo. Kailangan mong harapin ang bawat araw, Aquarius. Tanggalin mo na talaga. So this is not the best time para puro worries about. Okay? Just go to the flow. Okay? Bumangon ka, magtrabaho ka, gawin mo yung best mo. Although, syempre, hindi pwedeng hindi natin isipin yung mga darating na araw o yung magiging future mo. But, if you believe that the universe is preparing or have prepared something big for you. Okay? Kasi, di ba nga sabi kayo sa Bible, it's like, faith can move mountains. So, kapag may tiwala tayo, kahit sabi nga, kahit kasing liit lang ng buto ng mustasa, kapag naniniwala ka, that something will happen. So, mangyayari to. But, of course, the universe is telling you also, Aquarius, that kailangan mo din ng courage, ng tapang. Okay, kasi kapag mahina ang loob mo, of course, paano mo haharapin ang lahat at masusolusyonan? Paano mo ma-manifest ang blessings? Paano dumating sa'yo kung mismo sa puso at isipan mo ay puro takot at kaduwagan ang laman nito, Aquarius? So here, pinapakita lang nito talaga, Aquarius, na most of you, 99% ng Aquarius are breadwinners of the family. You took charge, kayo ang nakatoka, kayo ang nasa iyo lahat ng responsibilities. Family, workplace, friendship, or whatsoever. It seems that, ayan, although may resources naman, ayan kasi may mga dahon naman itong once mo, but still sometimes dumadating ang panahon, hindi na dumadating yung mga oras na nagsi-self-pity kayo. You're questioning your worth. Bakit puro ako na lang? Bakit ako na lang? Malalaki naman sila. Bakit hindi sila makapag-decide ng sa kanila? Bakit puro sa akin umaasa? Pagod na ako. Kung alam nila na gusto ko naman magpahinga, but seems na parang na-overwhelmed ako. Parang ito yung nararamdaman mo. But that is a blessing. That's still a blessing pa rin, Aquarius. Maybe, of course, you will be questioning bakit parang sa'yo inasa ang lahat. But that is a plus factor. That is a plus point for the universe. Pag nakikita niya na walang pagdududa, walang dalawang isip na inaako mo ang lahat ng responsibilities, even though ikaw yung nagsasakripisyo, ikaw yung naghihirap, but bukal sa loob mo na tulungan itong mga tao, itong mga kapamilya mo, kapatid mo, kamag-anak mo na walang-wala, still, okay, yung pagod na ipapahinga. But the blessings na kapalit nito, maniwala ka, Aquarius, it will be given to you by the universe, not only small, not only medium, large, but it's a massive amount of blessing. Hindi pwedeng hindi bayaran ng universe lahat ng paghihirap mo, lahat ng sakripisyo na ginagawa mo. Okay? Pasan mo ang daigdig, Aquarius. But it doesn't mean na pwede mong kawaan ang sarili mo. That is a blessing. That's still a blessing in disguise for you. So, Aquarius, we have here the Two of Wands. May decision-making na darating sa mga susunod na araw at linggo. Maaring magde-decide ka sa mga sitwasyon na parating. Okay? But this is about opportunity. Kasi merong island sa likod. So, uusbong. Maaring may mga bagong offer sa'yo, trabaho, may ibenta sa'yo, or parang, something tulong na darating that will be needing or kinakailangan ng pagde-decide mo, decision making. But I know Aquarius are very intelligent people, sign also. Just use your discernment. Just be wise. Test the waters first, okay? But I know that you can make a very good decision. Don't forget to pray. Don't forget to ask for a sign for the universe before drawing a conclusion. But all in all, pinapakita lang nito that in this be prepared, Aquarius, kasi merong pagde-decide na magaganap sa buhay mo. Okay? So, tapusin natin itong general reading with this 10th and last card, Aquarius. Lovers. So, this Lovers card represents the universe wants to send you a message to, kumbaga, wag mong i-overlook or wag mong parang i-took for granted ang relationship mo. If you're single, relationship about your siblings, family, friendship, siguro parang okay lang sa'yo bawat araw na wala kayong communication ng mga kapatid mo, nanay mo, mga friends mo, but be thought, but still nakakompromise na pala ito. Kasi parang syempre, the more na hindi tayo nakaka-communicate, mawawala na tayo ng madidetach na yung relationship sa isa't isa. So, alagaan ito kasi nakatapat siya sa death card. If you're in a relationship, communication is the key. Huwag magpapalagpas ang araw na magkapag-communicate kasi baka mamaya magsawa ang partner mo, magsawa ang bawat isa sa inyo, and matapos because the death card is here. So, communication is the key, Aquarius. Be consistent. Kahit pinapapagod ka sa trabaho, kahit feeling mo wala ka ng time, still a little time for saying hi and hello, kamustahan, it will matter. So, mahalaga yan. So, alagaan ang relationship sa mga darating na linggo. Baka mamaya, i-took for granted mo ito, okay lang yun, naintindihan naman ako. No? Kasi sa communication, nagsisimula ang lahat. Okay, Aquarius? I hope and I pray na nagustuhan nyo at nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading ngayon. At kapag nagustuhan nyo or nakaresonate kayo sa ating reading, mag-comment kayo. Nagbabasa po ako, nagre-reply sa mga comments. like and share na rin po. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Hanggang susunod nating pagsasama, mga pinamahal kong soulmates, nasa mga kayo naroroon, ano man ang ginagawa nyo, mag-ingat po lagi, and God bless us all.